Good morning, babies. I start the day right with a workout. Now I take my clothes and I want to go today to the city, have a look or a fly with the drone, and even in the evening we want to really go to dance. That's why I have here also the clothes for the evening. And let's see. So happy to be back here in Hyde Park, and first what I want to do is to see my favorite church, St. Mary, I think is the name. So beautiful, but okay, my shirt is a bit too short, sorry for that. I'm in the botanical garden and want to have my lunch here. Maybe you can see here's the harbor bridge, and after there's the opera house. And I tried to fly the drone, but I think it's not allowed. But yeah, I tried. Geschafft. Jetzt bin ich happy. Oops. Why I talk sometimes in German? I want to say yes, I did it, and I'm so happy that I have the video. It's from the back side, but I'm thinking about to go to the other side from Sydney and do the video. But I always wanna go to the church to have a deep conversation with God. That's why I don't know, can I do everything what I want? I can spend so much time to do photos and videos, but looks so good. Love it. I've been in the church, but I didn't film because the camera, the GoPro makes noises and I don't want to disturb the prayers. And I prayed for my family, especially for my grandpa. He have the last hard days, and for everyone in our family. And yeah, I feel now better to have a conversation with God. I'm back home, and look at this. I can easily kill 1 kilogram. Oh my God, I love it. We are finally in! Good evening, babies. I need to speak quiet because yeah, the normal people are sleeping, you know. And our dancing night was not so really long because it was not allowed to dance and stand, only dance and sit. That's why this is shit. I need really hard dancing nights. I miss it so lot. That's why I'm going back to my car and wish you good night, baby.